We'll divide using decimal notation. We'll find the quotient 15.58 divided by 82. Now I'm going to place the decimal point in the quotient. It's going to go right above the decimal point in the dividend. 82 won't go into 1, it won't go into 15, it will go into, I'm going to think of this as the whole number, 155, and it will go one time. Multiplying 1 times 82 and writing a 0 here to fill it out, I have this, and I subtract now, 8 minus 0, 5 minus 2, 15 minus 8. Now I look at 82 into 738, and let's try 9. And when I do that multiplication, I do get 738. The difference is 0. So the division is finished, and we would say that the quotient is, and we would write this in this case with a 0 preceding the decimal point. So we would write 0.19 for the quotient.